In 1986, Israel needed to silence a whistleblower, but they couldn't arrest him. He was in London, so they sent a woman instead. Mordecai Vanunu was a nuclear technician. He had photographed the inside of Israel's secret weapons facility and sold the images to the Sunday Times. The evidence was explosive. Israel had nuclear bombs, and the world was about to find out. Extradition was impossible. A public arrest would cause an international incident. So Mossad sent Cheryl Bentov. She called herself Cindy. She was warm, charming, and very interested in Vanunu. They met in London. She told him she had an apartment in Rome. He should come visit. He went. Inside that Rome apartment, he was drugged, loaded onto a cargo ship, transported illegally back to Israel. His trial was held in secret, no press, no public. He was sentenced to 18 years, 11 of them in solitary confinement. The operation was so clean it almost looked like romance. It was only the aftermath that showed what it really was.